So we made it all the way at the end, and it's nothing but really beautiful ocean out there. Everyone just chilling, relaxing, enjoying the moment. Oh my god, if you look up there, look at that mountain. So gorgeous. Alright, so we're gonna go into some kind of cave. Hopefully there'll be some little interesting stuff over there. So we made it to the cave, and it's really interesting actually. I guess they pray the penis god. Kind of look behind me, just like penis, 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 gold penis, pink penis, brown penis, white penis, all penis. So I'm in a very sacred area and they worship penis. It's kind of crazy. I guess the penis god will deliver babies and will create humanity throughout the lifetime. Kind of interesting where this whole shrine, I'm not sure if it's really serious or if it's just a funny thing they kind of made up, but they have like penis wood everywhere. There's just like hundreds of them all behind me, just stacked up, laid on the ground. And then on my left side there's like a shrine of just like a little Buddha or whatever, and like kind of like a little small temple in a sense on the table, and they're just, I guess, worshiping it. I mean, it's interesting, right? I mean, maybe it's a culture thing, maybe it's a funny thing, I don't know. There's no one here to tell me exactly what it is, but I'm just really surprised when I walk by it. So I ordered the fried rice, the papaya salad, and the iced coffee. Let's try it out. Woo! Now that is sweet. I think they put a lot of that, I forgot what you call it. It's kind of thick creamer milk, condensed milk, and they just feel like they pour a lot in there. Super sweet, actually. I kind of need some sugar in me because I've been walking around all day, so I'm pretty exhausted. The combination of both the papaya salad and the fried rice, I think is perfect because it gives it a little bit sweet flavor, and the papaya salad gives it a little spicy, yet a little bit lime in it, and it just goes well together. I love it. If you're here in Raily East Beach, come on to, I believe, the east side of the beach and just buy food there off the boat. It's really delicious. I totally recommend it. Hey, what's up everyone? So I'm just chilling here, relaxing, and Vitaly came up and he was asking me about my camera and the stand and see how much it costs and stuff. And he has a pretty nice camera himself. And I believe he lives in Russia, and he invited me sometime in the near future. Hopefully we can hang out over there and do a cool little vlog. So you want to say hi to everyone in the audience?
Hello and welcome in the Crimea Peninsula in the Yalta city, small town resort. Yes, thank you so much.
Alright, so we're taking off now. It was a nice scenery back there. Good little spot on the east side to check out if you love the beach. It's nice food, and there was a cave as well. So if you're here in Riley's Island, check out the east side. Now we're on our way back to the west. Hopefully we'll find some monkeys along the way. Alright, so the whole time I came to this island, I've been looking for a monkey, and I finally found a monkey. Super excited. Look behind me. He's just chilling up there. You're not allowed to feed them, you're not allowed to pet them, you're not allowed to do anything because they actually bite you. So I've been watching that monkey trying to open up that bottle for the past like 2 minutes. Was pretty cool. He finally ripped it open from the top. The water's coming out. But he's kind of spilling it everywhere, so he's not getting too much of the water, which kind of sucks. It happens. Ah, he spilled all the water. So sad. Now he's leaving. Good attempt. Okay, so it's around 5 o'clock right now. It's kind of crazy. I'm walking back towards the west side, and you see behind me, the whole water just went completely down. You could walk probably a good like 400 to 800 feet down there, and it's crazy. I didn't really expect that actually. Kind of surprised. Look at that. There's like 3 tractors just pulling people across so they can bring them to the boat area. I'm thinking I'm on the right side. I'm hoping I'm on the right side because it looks a lot different while the water's down. From the looks of it, I think I went on the wrong way, so I'm gonna have to cut through. The guy directed me this way. Doesn't look familiar at all. So I've been walking around for a while and I'm a little bit lost. I'm hoping I'll make it in time, but I think I'm on the right track now. I think. So I'm going through the marketplace again, and it's starting to get way more packed, as I was trying to say earlier. Earlier it was just a little bit dead, but you see everyone's starting to come out. Sun's coming down. Like I said, I wish I could enjoy the scenery, but I can't because I have to go back to the other island.
You can enjoy it all you want, brother.
I can't. The boat leave at 6:30.
Yeah.
I know I don't have a hotel here. I know it sucks.
On the other side?
Yeah, to Anand, whatever you call it. Yeah, I have to go over there right now.
All right, buddy.
Have a good one. Unfortunately, the sun's going down. We have to say goodbye to this wonderful island, Riley's Island, to be exact. As you can see, it is crazy. Look, the water is just completely drained down, and you're gonna have to walk all the way across just to get to the damn boat. Hello. You guys don't mind being on film? I have a vlog thing, so I'm gonna be like holding it like this the whole time. I could sit in the back if... Oh, it's okay? Alright. So what did everyone do today? Everyone have fun? You guys have fun?
Yeah.
What'd you guys end up doing here?
Just lay in the sun.
Oh, just sit there, get a tan. Definitely this place is a really good place for the beach. Everyone just comes here to sit back and relax. There's a bunch of food, drinks. The other side of the island has some rock climbing. Saw some monkeys. And there were some caves. I didn't go to the cave. Got a little bit scared. Too dark. Alright, here we go. Good 10-15 minute ride. Wasn't as shaky as the other one. This guy actually went pretty slow, which is good. I don't feel that nauseous, so there'll be no puking today. Now that is one experience you cannot get anywhere else but here in Thailand. Hey, so I'm finishing up the island and I met some cool people behind me.
Hi, from Sweden.
all from Sweden. That's awesome.
Yeah.
What's that one's name?
Huh?
What's everyone's name?
My name is Alva.
Alva.
My name is Eli and Luisa.
Oh, Luisa.
Yeah.
And they're doing a hostile type of thing, which is pretty awesome actually. Yeah, I'll be a little too scared. You know, I'm a little girl. I'm a little baby. Alright.
That's nice. You should
Yeah.
try. Yeah, you should try it.
Yeah. Maybe one day.
Yeah, you should. It's fun. You meet a lot of people.